We have already talked about ginger on the channel, and it is a common ingredient in our recipes. It is a fact that ginger is one of the most versatile spices in the world, isn't it? Rich in numerous nutrients, ginger has been used for thousands of years to cure the most different things, thanks to its therapeutic properties. Isn't it amazing? And thanks to many requests, in today's video, we will talk about the benefits of ginger for men. If you are a woman, subscribe to our channel because soon we will talk about the benefits of ginger for women. Don't forget to share this video with your husband, brother, friends, with all the men in your life. Ginger is a natural and healthy food that can be used in many ways and has anti-inflammatory, antioxidant, analgesic, and cardiotonic properties. See now 5 benefits of ginger for men. Good for the heart. Ginger has many vitamins and minerals such as potassium, magnesium, and vitamin B6 that protect men against heart diseases. Did you know that these vitamins and minerals hinder the clogging of arteries and reduce blood pressure? Helps in cases of type 2 diabetes. Besides helping with heart health, ginger contains magnesium and manganese, which help regulate the blood sugar levels in men with type 2 diabetes. Amazing, isn't it? Are you enjoying the video so far? Leave a comment to let us know if we are contributing to inform you. Don't forget to like the video and share it with your friends. Prevents colon cancer. Did you know that colon cancer affects men much more than women? And if that wasn't enough, it is also the second major cause of death by cancer in the world. Eating ginger can help men prevent colon cancer. According to a study, gingerol, a phytonutrient found in ginger, has chemoprotective properties. Helps with erectile dysfunction. Because ginger helps increase the dilation of blood vessels, it also enhances blood circulation, being great for anyone who has erectile dysfunction. Contributes to fertility. Did you know that ginger helps a lot with male fertility? Because it is a good source of manganese, an essential mineral for the male sexual desire and spermatozoid count, ginger contributes to testosterone production, which in turn helps with fertility. So, did you like learning these benefits of ginger for men? You can ingest ginger by grating the root on your food or as a powder, respecting the limit of 2 grams a day. Other options include dried ginger, infusions, hot teas, juices, or as an essential oil. The daily ingestion of ginger, in any of the suggested ways, must never exceed the recommended dose of each product. Keep in mind also that food supplements must never be used as a substitution for a balanced diet, but only as an addition to an already healthy. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more recipes and tips, subscribe to the channel.